guys, your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wig. This is another outfit, guys. This one was trending all over the internet, guys. And when I saw this outfit, I'm like, gosh, I really want to make that. So, guys, this is the outfit. But the problem that I was having is to have this part to stay. When you're bigger breasted, it's harder to make this stay. But if you're smaller breasted, it's easy to take the tie and tie it or whatever to stay. So I was like, thinking about taking a bra, right? Taking this bra and tying the fabric around. But if you guys can see, this part is way too big. So if you guys do have a scrapless bra, you need the scrapless bra with a very little thing right here. So then once you put it on, take it and tie it around, boom, you'll be good. But so I couldn't use that bra. I had to, I got to do something else. So guys, this is the outfit that's trending over. It's not finished yet. This was just some fabric I had at Walmart. Actually, I'm going to remake this, guys, because this fabric is way too thin and flimsy. I don't really like it. It doesn't have the spandex that I want, and the fabric is already starting to fray. But I just wanted to bring this to you guys. If you guys want to make this outfit, basically do the measurements from the top part of your breast to the bottom part of your breast and the width of how long you want it, and just cut that piece, and boom, you take this, tie it around, boom. The pencil skirt, make the pencil skirt and make it go all the way down to the floor and flare out if you want to, guys, and make it a little wider. Boom, there you go. And I just tied this around because this is not completed, but I just want to give you guys an easy, simple outfit to make. And guys, if you're going to do that, boom, this says it stays. This is roll-on adhesive, guys, for clothes. So like for people in dance studios and stuff. So if I'm moving, bending down or whatever, I don't have to worry about my top popping off. So this is roll-on adhesive, or guys, if you got the double-sided tape that you use on your lace wig, if you don't have this, well, I know you probably guys don't have this, but you can order this. It stays. So anytime you wear a dress that you want something to stay up and not fall down, you can put this on and let it dry, and then you don't have to worry about this top falling off. And then at the end of the day, you just pretty much peel, and it'll come off, and then you just wash this little top out on your hand and get it ready for your next applique, and then just soap and water would take the adhesive off your skin. So just wanted to give you guys a quick, easy tip, something easy DIY to make, guys. You guys can make this, but this will have to be made over because this fabric is very flimsy. If you see, it's already starting to fray. So I need to remake it by making it a better, and then I want it to be extra long Floyd to the flow. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these are a couple still shots. So, guys, if you want to make this, this is easy. Remember, take the measurements for your breast, then do the bottom of the pencil skirt. Make it go all the way down to the floor. And I think it'll be much more cuter if when you get down to where your knees bend, flare it out more, guys. It will be much more cuter. And that's just me doing a Wilma Flintstone, tying it up around there, guys. So yeah, just a little couple different ways. And that's no sew if you guys want to take the fabric and tie it around. But guys, try this project out. Thank you, guys.